But when I'm explaining how to do a self-breast exam, this little model has three kind of ways to do it. The most common way is what I call the lawnmower technique. So you think about someone mowing the yard. You use the pads of your fingers and you just want to palpate the breast systematically up and down. And what you're looking for is any lumps or bumps that are new or different. And ideally you should do your breast exam every month, so that you know if something changes over time. I've had 2 husbands now find their wife's breast cancer, so I think it's really important to do it.